we all know that people have been falsely convicted. We have represented people who gave false confessions. The inclination for most people is that they want to cooperate with the police, they want to help. Many times that's not a very good idea. If the questioning turns into an interrogation, then many times people end up talking to the police for hours. Many times those statements are recorded or videotaped. People get tired. The police interrogation is designed to entrap people and cause people to make mistakes, and the more mistakes you make, the more suspicious the police become. So that's the danger of doing that. If you ask for a lawyer, the police cannot question you, regardless of the situation. When you say, "I want a lawyer," they have to stop asking you questions until you get a lawyer. So if it takes you a day to get a lawyer or a week to get a lawyer, they cannot question you until you have a lawyer.